share with you. What's your name? Yuko. Very nice to meet you. I felt that you have a call in your life.
Ma tundsin, et sul on kutsumine oma elu
From a
peale.
very young age.
Väga noorest east alates.
And I feel like you know how Samuel was called at a very young age?
Nagu Samuel, keda kutsuti väga noorena.
I feel like the Lord is speaking to you.
Ma tunnen, et Jumal räägib sinuga.
And I feel like you are answering his call.
Ja sina nagu vastad tema kutsele.
And I might be wrong, but I feel like you're a musician.
Ma võin eksida, aga ma tunnen, et sa oled
I
muusik.
also feel that you sing.
Sa laulad.
And when you worship,
Ja kui sa ülistad,
the Lord is going to teach you to go deeper levels of worship.
Jumal hakkab sind õpetama, kuidas minna sügavamale ülistuses.
And he's going to teach you to take back the things the enemy has stolen.
Ja ta õpetab sulle, kuidas võtta tagasi need asju, mida vaenlane on varastanud.
Because the devil, when he was created as an angel,
Kui saatan, kui teda loodi inglina,
he was created as a musical instrument.
teda loodi kui
He
muusikainstrument.
was the music that was coming out.
Ja tema oligi see muusika, mis
When he turned away from the Lord,
Ja kui ta Jumalast ära pöördus,
he took back that stuff. I feel like you're going to take back things in music.
ma tunnen, et sa hakkad nagu asju tagasi võtma
And
muusikas.
with your voice, you release the presence of the Lord.
Ja oma häälega sa nagu annad välja Jumala ligiolu.
I feel like it will release healing.
Ja see vabastab tervenemist
It will release the prophetic even more.
ja see vabastab nagu prohvetlikku andi rohkem.
I also have something for you.
Mul on ka midagi sinu jaoks.
I felt that you have a very strong prophetic gift in your
Ma
life.
tundsin, et sul on väga tugev prohvetlik and.
And I also feel that you're an intercessor.
Ja ma tundsin, et sa oled nagu eespalvetaja.
And I also was reminded of a proverb about Jesus and when he met the woman in the well.
Ja siis sellest see lugu Jeesusest, kui ta kohtus selle Samaaria naisega seal kaevu ääres.
And it's Luke chapter 4.
Luuka 4.
Luke chapter 4, verse 15, when Jesus tells the lady about the living water that he has.
Luuka 4:13.
Oh, it's John, I'm sorry, it's John 4, it's not Luke 4, it's John 4.
Johannese 4.
She answers to him, "Give me this water so I won't get thirsty." I feel that this is a cry of your heart. You are crying out to Jesus, "Give me this water so I don't get thirsty anymore." I feel that you are very hungry for the Lord.
Ma tunnen, et sa oled väga näljane Jumala järgi.
Mul on ka sinu jaoks midagi. Ma kogesin ka, et sul on
I
prohvetlik
felt
and
that you have a prophetic gift.
ja ma sain kirjakoha Aamos
Scripture Amos 3:7.
tõesti, Jumal ei tee midagi ilma juhutamata oma nõudma sulle selline prohvetitele.
God is not doing anything without revealing his plans to his servants and his prophets.
Ja ma tundsingi, et osas tõlkes on ka, et ta annab teada oma saladusi oma sõpradele.
And some translation says that he lets know his secrets to his friends.
Ja ma tunnengi, et see on see, miks Jumal annab sulle nende asjade räägimisest, seepärast et sul on sõprussuhe Jumalaga ja sa veedad aega koos temaga.
I feel that's why God is giving you all those secrets, because you spend time with him and you have a friendship relationship with him. Mul on ka midagi. Ma tundsin samamoodi nagu Natasha rääkis, et sa nagu tundsin, et sa samamoodi nagu Natasha rääkis, et sa nagu otsid ja tahad nagu igatsed, sul on nagu
As
selline,
Natasha said, I feel that you are hungry.
jah, et sa oled nagu näljane Jumala järgi ja ma
I
tundsin, et
feel
Jumal
you're
ütleb,
hungry for the Lord.
et ma kohtun sinuga selles paigas, kus sa ootad mind.
And I also feel that the Lord is saying that I will meet with you in the place where you're waiting for me.
Et ma tunnen, et su süda on nagu hästi siuke, et Jumal, millal sa tuled, ma tahan,
And I
et sa
feel that your
tuleksid.
heart is like, oh God, when are you planning to come? When are you coming?
Et ma tunnen täiega, et Jumal nagu ütleb, et ma tulen, siis kui on
And
õige
I
aeg,
feel
ma
that the
tulen.
Lord is saying, I am coming.
Ja ma tundsin ka seda, et sa veedad väga palju aega, täpselt samamoodi, et sa oled nagu eespalvet, et sa veedad väga palju aega palvetades inimeste
I
ees, kes
also
on su
feel
ümber.
that you are an intercessor and you spend a lot of time praying
Inimeste eest, kes on su ümber, kes ei ole päästetud.
for people that are around you that are not saved yet.
Ma sain ka kirjakoha õpetussõnad 8:17.
And the scripture is Proverbs 4:18. 4:17. Oh, 8:17, I'm sorry.
Mina armastan neid, kes armastavad mind ja kes otsivad mind, need leiavad minu.
I love those who love me, and those who seek me find me.
Julgustades mind, et kui sa otsid Jumalat, siis sa
I
leiad.
just would like to encourage you with this word.
You could later give us feedback.
Te võite hiljem anda meile tagasisidet.